Hey, good morning. It's Tim here from Expert Power Wash. I just realized I've never done a video on our Estimator vehicle / window cleaning van. So picked up this vehicle some time ago and put it into service. Let me show you what I'm working with here. All right, we'll start out. It is a 2020 Ford Transit Connect. It is the XLT. So there's a shorter one. This is the one that is a little bit longer. The wrap job was done by Tim Fields. Some of you guys may know him. He's in a lot of the groups and does a lot of stuff for people in our industry. This is the third vehicle he's done for me. So just quick walk around. So that's it. This thing is very good on gas and works great as an estimator vehicle. I see a lot of people doing them little tiny cars or whatnot. I like this one because not only is it good on gas, but you can work out of it. So let's take a look here. Well, let's go to the ladder racks. This is a Cargo Master. It is a fold down. Yeah, go ahead and laugh. I'm short, but I'll tell you, even being tall, this thing works good because it locks ladders down. And then the other one, of course, is just a slide on. But let's take a look inside here. I didn't clean this thing up for the video. Obviously the floor and everything's still dirty, but out here in Portland, these things work really, really well for water-fed window cleaning. It's just the Unger DI tank. Picked up this shelf. This was used, Facebook Marketplace. Using these little totes here for rags, gloves. This 18-volt vac. This is for doing tracks and the slider doors, things like that. That thing works really good. Here's some pads here. Got some abrasives and scrubbing pads, and then up on this shelf here we got the good old steel wool. Track brushes. Just a quick side note, this is a Home Depot one. This is the one off WCR. I love WCR, but not every product is great. This is the maker one, and then this is the trackcleaner.net. They sell this one too. Out of all three of these, this one right here works the best, and I got it from Home Depot. You see how it kind of, well, it's not super clean, but it kind of really gets in, scrub things up. Of course, you always want to have a screwdriver with you. All right, yep, there's another one. Just some miscellaneous things there. This thing right here works really good for pulling the screens. Again, this is on WCR. The Unger Ninja 6-inch scraper. A bunch of stuff back there. What we got here? Super channel. My channel is mainly about pressure washing, but got into window cleaning shortly after. One of the reasons why I got into window cleaning shortly after is I didn't want to refer work out or give work away to people that did the same thing I did. So I actually enjoy it. It's not too bad. If anybody's thinking about getting into window cleaning, I would highly suggest maybe just start down the outside, do the water-fed pull. We'll get into that stuff in just a second, but the water-fed pull can be super easy, and again, it's not a one-and-done solution for everything. You're probably still gonna have to get up on a ladder, especially the ones that are really bad. But that was a quick side note. Like my Dawn sprayway, and then I got some Black Diamond Magic, and that's for water stains and whatnot, hard water stains on windows. And then just got some Unger Stingray cleaner that works really well on the inside if I'm just doing a quick wipe down. But yeah, that's the inside. I'm gonna put one of them tubes on the top eventually back here for the water-fed pulls, but for now, I got these little, there's none right there, but there's these little magnetic things. This is the Phantom 18 up there. The one I use most of the time is the Xero Pro. Let's see here. It's the Pro 40. There you go. And then, of course, the trad pull. This thing works for gutter cleaning, inside cleaning, just about everything. You could even attach a little water fed pull brush on the end of it. Got the screen cleaner over there. Another little ladder. The only thing I'm missing in here is my 6-foot ladder. I still got to put that in here before I head out today, but window cleaning bucket. Got the Mormon pouch. Some other miscellaneous things in there. I got Glass Gleam 4. This stuff, it's in a Glass Gleam 3 bottle, because that's just how they sell the empty bottles. But this stuff works really good if you're putting it with Dawn, I've found out. And then I've doubled it. I've been using 1 full ounce, and it's actually working pretty well. So if you guys have experience with Glass Gleam 4, I know it's pretty mixed results. Drop it in the comments. I got the older Tucker reel over there, so it's basically like a 3/8 line. I will go around to the front. I'll show you. I use that thing all the time for water fed pull. Kind of just rambling here in this video, but maybe some of you guys may get some value out of it. But this right here is a 0G, so this hooks up to the DI tank. This is 25 foot. I like this a lot, and I always just put this with my water fed pull hose. But kind of how I connect it here, we'll just roll it out real quick so I can kind of keep everything clean and together, is I just use an extra connector, so then it can just go. If I could do this one-handed. Right there we go. So I put this on my hose, and then when I pull the hose off, I just take this off and then hook it up to my DI tank and then to the water. Then of course this hose reel hooks up to the DI tank, and then the water fed line that's coiled up right there, that connects to this, so I'm not constantly having to disconnect the DI tank around the house. This is 100 feet, and I think these hose reels are going for $250, $300, something like that. You guys have to look it up, but you could even make your own. Get yourself a little hand carry cart. This looks like it's a air hose deal. RHG. There you go. But yeah, put together something like this. It'll definitely save you guys a lot of time if you're water fed pulling around a house. You hook up in the back, and a lot of times if it's a smaller house or medium-sized house, you can get all the way around. But here's the front of the van. Not really a whole lot going on up here. It's dirty. Need some floor mats. Let's see. Been using these gloves. Got these on Amazon, Wonder Grips. They're actually waterproof. So if you're looking for some good window cleaning gloves, check them out. Otherwise, this is this little deal here. This thing was connected to the shelving unit when I bought it. I got some extra stuff. I got some Band-Aids in there, a bunch of little extra miscellaneous fittings for the water fed pull stuff, O-rings. Let's see here. They're all mixed in here. But the blue ones, them blue ones are the best ones. But yeah, this is the window cleaning van / estimator vehicle. So I can tell you, I've had it since July, I think, something like that, and I've really enjoyed it. I've done just a few things to it. Obviously the ladder rack that I showed you guys. I did put a hitch on it. I don't plan on really pulling a whole lot with it, but this thing was just it was from Kurt. It's like 150 bucks, and this thing bolted right up underneath. So if I have to put something on here, then I have that option, but I don't plan on it. Again, it's just a basic window cleaning and estimator vehicle, and it is a 4-cylinder. It has the, gosh, I can't even think of the name of it. One of the Ford cars has the same engine as that, but it gets really good gas. You guys got any questions, or you have some tips for what I could do to improve the inside to make it a little bit more efficient, drop it in the comments. If If you guys aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.